Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi fishing rod. First, select a strong, flexible bamboo stick, ideally 8 to 10 feet in length, ensuring it's not too thick or thin. Next, gather your essential fishing gear, a durable fishing line, a suitable hook for your target fish, and a small sinker to help your bait descend. Finally, have a sharp knife or cutter ready. This will be crucial for preparing and shaping your bamboo rod for optimal use. Now, let's prepare your bamboo rod. Begin by carefully trimming off any small branches or rough edges along the stick using your knife, ensuring a smooth surface. Next, focus on the handle end. Smooth it down to create a comfortable and secure grip, which is vital for control when casting and reeling. Finally, take your fishing line and securely tie it to the thinner, more flexible end of the bamboo rod, leaving ample length for casting. With your line attached, it's time for the business end. Measure out approximately 15 to 20 feet of fishing line from the rod's tip. This length provides good casting distance. Next, securely tie your chosen hook to the very end of this line, using a strong, reliable knot to prevent any escapes. Finally, attach a small sinker a few inches above the hook. This weight helps your bait sink quickly and stay in the desired fishing depth. Your Desi fishing rod is almost ready. Before heading out, gently test the rod's flexibility and the line's strength to ensure everything is secure and functional. Then, find an open area and practice casting a few times. This helps you get a feel for your new rod and improve your technique. Remember, patience is key to successful fishing. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy fishing!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.